or not? So testing means we need patience. We need to think like an end user how this application will be used by the end user in all possible ways. We also should use it and test it. Are you getting my point? That is known as testing. Clear for everybody? So testing ante ento telusa? Using the application with a good patience in all the possible ways with different ideas in order to confirm whether the application is working according to the requirements or not, and also user friendly or not. That is known as testing. Okay, testing means using. Come on here. Yes, using with one idea na with different possible idea. In all the possible ways we will use the application. Are you getting my point? With all the maximum ideas whatever we get. We may miss one or two ideas also. We are human beings, no? But maximum possible. What is that? So maximum possible ideas we will be implementing and we will be testing it. Is it clear, Nana? So testing is any technology? Is it like some Java, .NET program? Or it's not. Chappanma. A technology. Then what is it? It is one process. It is one. Come on, friends. So testing is a process in which we will first use the application and will try to identify the defects in it, and will try to identify the defects. Defects means if anything is not working according to the customer requirement, that is known as a defect. I already told you. So defect means deviation from the customer's requirement. So whenever we are using, if it is working fine according to the requirement, we are happy. If it is not working, you are happy or not happy? You are very, very happy because that is what you want. As a test engineer, if everything is working, then developer is happy. If something is not working, then tester will be happy because we identified a defect. That is our job. So daily coming, doing testing, but I am not identifying any defects. Come on, yeah. I will be sad while going to house. Are you getting my point? If I find 5 or 6 defects, I will be very happy. Why? Because that's what my job is. Come on, yeah. So daily, morning, pray to God,